So hello everybody, so I jumped on the trend and put my most viral video from 2021, the one about me removing the foil off of a bottle of wine. But it reminded me of something, and it was something that I actually saw just the other night when I was at dinner. And unfortunately it was a server that had never been educated the proper way to handle things with foil. But we all have that friend who uses this and manhandles through the foil and you get a messy foil. Or even sometimes if you're truly using a waiter's cork, you may not get the foil exactly right. But there's an etiquette faux pas when it comes to wine that you should not take this wine and when you're pouring it, allow it to pour over that foil. Now there are plenty of wine snobs out there that believe what I just did, allowing that wine to come in contact with that foil will somehow ruin that wine. I don't believe it's true, otherwise I wouldn't have done it, but I'm trying to save you that embarrassment, especially if you're a server at a restaurant. So the proper thing is to have the foil cut below the rim of the wine so that when you're pouring, the wine never comes in contact with the foil. Cheers, everybody.